Hey guys, I hope you're all really well. I'm here today with a quick little haul. I've got my Mary Kay orders just arrived in and I'm very excited because I did get something quite new and exciting to Mary Kay and I got it for free, so they had a magnificent deal. So let's jump into it and have a quick look at some of the goodies that I got this month. So it's extremely well wrapped. I can't actually remember a lot of the stuff that I ordered. I know there's some urgent stuff in here that I've got for customer orders that I need to get out tonight. And one product that's obviously for me, which is the freebie. And then I think there might be some stock items. Okay, so the first thing I've got here is the Luminous 3D foundation. I got two of these in W130. These are for a customer. I had quite a bit of trouble matching her, but in the end it actually worked out perfect. I matched it to the old formula that she used to have using the flow chart that they gave, and she was a little bit dubious to start off with because it looks different in the tube, but once I convinced her to actually wear it for a couple of days and to let me know what she thought, she was absolutely happy with it. So the colour was perfect. And I think before, if any of you are the same sort of colour, because I know she is exactly the same colour as I am, and that's why I was pretty confident it was going to match, but she's in luminous and I'm in matte. So beforehand we were both Ivory 5, and so the W130 is actually a perfect match for that. Then I got for stock, because we can never have too many, Ultimate Black Mascara. I've got 4 of these. These are my absolute favourite. And then this one is for me, for my handbag, which is the Ivory 2 Sheer Mineral Pressed Powder. So I've just finished using up one of these, so really looking forward to having a new one. What else? We've got here the Age Minimize 3D 4-in-1 cleanser in the formula normal to dry. And then I've got, these are a customer order, 2 of the day cream in the combination to oily moisturizer, and a night one in the combination to oily. Oh, I've got another night one. I think actually one of them is for me because I haven't tried the night formula yet, so I was looking forward to actually using up some of my other stuff, which I've nearly done now, so I'll be testing that one, see what I think of it. Okay, so I've got 3 of the mineral powder in Ivory 2. I have a customer that absolutely adores this, and in fact this is for 2 customer orders, so they'll be going straight on to the courier. In fact, I think I probably should have ordered a couple extras for stock, but never mind. Okay, so what did I get in my order that's got me so excited? So Mary Kay have had a Skin Vigorate brush, you know, the battery powered facial brush, which I've had, and I've also got another brand very similar. Now, I wasn't a fan of the Mary Kay one. To me, it just felt a bit weak. It didn't really give a good scrub compared to my other one, so I never really used it. And so it was sitting in the bathroom, and the batteries, of course, kept dying. So it didn't really get good use. Although I have to say, you can't beat cleansing your face with brush heads versus just normal cleanser. It definitely gets the grime and the makeup off. So what they've done is they've done an update, I believe, and now they've got this new one which is called the Skin Vigorate Sonic, and it looks like my original one, and I haven't brought it in with me. I'll do a video comparing all 3 of them so that you can have a look, but this one looks much more like the other brand that I've got, which I've absolutely loved, but I don't think I can get the brush heads for it anymore. So I haven't used it for quite some time now. So, but the deal was, because I was like, oh, do I really need another one of these? I've got 2 of these brushes at home sitting around that aren't being used. But they had an amazing deal on this month, and basically what you could do is if you got the brush and this little thing here, which is called the facial massage head, I'll show you in a minute. If you got those 2 items, you could actually pick a skin serum for free. So I got this one, which is my favorite. This is the Time Wise Repair Volufirm Advanced Lifting Serum, and oh my god, this stuff is amazing. This really works. Like, I actually feel, I've only used one bottle of this, but I felt like under here just tightened the skin immediately. Like, I was obsessed with it, and then I ran out and I had some other serums to use, so I've been using those. So, and this one is worth about $90, I believe, and the brush system is $90 as well. So for me, I figured, well, I want this serum anyway, so I might as well spend the $90 and get this, and then I'm getting the brush free. So I kind of twisted it around in my head to make it work for me. That's what you kind of do as a woman. So yes, very, very happy to have this back into my skincare system. I will be opening this one tonight and using it, even though I still have my other serum I haven't quite finished. Maybe I'll do one in the morning, one at night, but yeah, I seriously, seriously love this. If you'd like me to do a video on this one, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, because yeah, it's just one of the best products I've seen from Mary Kay in quite some time. Okay, so let's have a look at this skincare brush system. Let's have a look at the little massage head. I'm kind of intrigued about the massage head, because I'm wondering, is it something I'm going to actually use? And I do wonder, you know, does massage help you tighten the skin and stuff? I really don't know anything about it, so it's going to be quite a journey to use it. So in the packet, so I'm just opening the packet, it does actually come with a brochure on how to use it. And then this is what the head looks like. So it looks really weird, quite bizarre. It's rubbery, it's flexible, so it's not, doesn't feel like it's going to be hard on the face, but yeah. And then let's see what the brush looks like. So the back of the box has got quite a bit of information on it, as well as some diagrams, so I'll read all about that in another video, I think. So I think what I'll do is I'll do a separate video on this skincare brush system, because what I really need to do is have a good read over the notes, the instructions, and just teach myself a little bit about it, rather than just jumping on in and starting to use it. I want to use it properly, if I can get it out. Oh, here we go. Oops, I just dropped it all. Oh, interesting. So it actually charges with a USB charger. That's different. Yeah, not exactly going to take my laptop into the bathroom to charge it, but okay. So this is what it looks like. It's got a button, on off button. It's got a plus minus, I guess, for the speeds. It's very pretty on the back. It feels nice. It feels nice shape and everything. Much more solid than their previous model. And then this is the brush system. Very similar to my other brush that I have. You can buy these brush heads individually. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you just pop that on there. And it's charged already. So it feels, I must say, the bristles feel incredibly soft. Sorry if you couldn't hear that. The bristles feel incredibly soft, way softer than probably my other brush. So I do feel this is going to be quite nice. The only thing it doesn't seem to come with, unless I've dropped it somewhere, is a holder. So yeah, whereas my other brush does come with a holder. But anyway, small things. So there you go, guys. That was my mini Mary Kay order for this month. I haven't done one for a month or two because I just haven't had that much time to be concentrating. I was meant to be going away overseas for work, but that got cancelled at the last minute. In fact, it got cancelled the day before we were due to get on the plane due to coronavirus, which is so annoying because I was really looking forward to Germany and London, but so be it. It's a work business trip, so you know, it wasn't my decision in the end. So we're now back into carrying on with life at home and getting back into some videos. I've got some more planned out that are coming up very soon. So yeah, I look forward to talking to you all again very soon. Thanks guys, bye.